everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 5 crucial steps to turn right and left safely. If you're going to be making a right or left turn, you need to use these 5 steps if you want to do so safely. I'm going to explain them, then I'm going to demonstrate them. So I'm going to start off by telling you about them, then I'm going to be demonstrating myself using them. I'm going to explain them, then demonstrate them. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Step number 1 is your safety checks and your signal. So obviously, you want to signal right or left, then you want to check your rear view mirror, then you want to check your side mirror, right or left, depending on which way you're turning, and your side blind spot, right or left. If I was turning left, it would be left signal, rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. And then the opposite for if I was turning right. I don't want to waste your time, so we're going to focus more on the demonstration. Okay, the second thing is you want to adjust your speed. So that's step number 2. You got to slow down. Like that's for sure. When you're turning, when you're about to turn, you probably have to slow down, and you might even have to stop, depending on if there's a stop sign or if you don't have the right of way. Basically, and then obviously, if you are going to be starting from a stop, you're going to have to accelerate. So the speed adjustment is the second step. Okay, if you're at a stop sign, you got to start going again, you got to accelerate as well. The third step is going to be to turn the wheel, and you got to know how much to turn the wheel. For sharper turns, you're going to have to turn the wheel more. For not so sharp turns, you're going to have to turn the wheel less. The fourth step is look where you want the car to go. If I was turning left, I'm going to look basically right past this pillar, because that's roughly where the left turn is going to be. And if I was turning right, I'm going to look past my right pillar over there. Basically on a 45 from where you are centered, you want to go on a 45-degree angle in either direction. Okay? And that's going to help you steer the car properly. Last but not least is step number 5, which is release the wheel when the time is right. All right? So we're going to go ahead, we're going to make some turns, show you these 5 steps in action. So I'm not going to go over like each step as I'm doing it, because I'm going to make these turns like in real time. So I don't want to spend a minute at each turn, but I am going to do all of the things, and I'm going to bring them all together into a realistic situation. So I'm approaching a turn that I want to make a left at. I'm going to signal left over here, and I'm checking my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot. I'm coming to complete stop because I'm exiting a parking lot. Now I'm looking for cars. Okay, so I'm at a stop. I'm waiting for this SUV to proceed forward. The speed limit is 40 on this street. I think this person is going about 11 kilometers an hour. Maybe you should go a little bit closer to the speed limit, sir. Okay, anyways, we're ready to go. So I'm releasing the brake pedal. I'm accelerating, turning the wheel, looking where I want to go, releasing the wheel when the time is right. Very simple. So key factor, look where you want to go. A lot of people know how to steer and stuff, but they don't look where they want to go, and that holds them back from being a great driver. Wow, the driver of this vehicle that was going so slow, I don't know about his skill level, but the SUV is a beautiful SUV. It's an Audi SQ5. I love that truck. Maybe by the time I release this video, I'll have it, because I schedule my videos pretty far in advance. So right now, I'm signaling right. I'm going to turn right. Rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. Good to go. I'm accelerating while I turn the wheel, looking where I want to go, releasing that wheel. Now I'm going to signal left, and I'm unfortunately caught at a red light. But essentially, you want to use those 5 steps together. Now, there are certain things, it's not as easy as like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are certain things that you have to do, and that is like how much to turn the wheel. That takes practice. How much do you have to slow down to? That takes practice. How much do you have to accelerate to? That takes practice. So it's not as simple as, oh, I just have to follow the 5 steps. You got to slow down and practice. Like, I would honestly recommend every time that you drive, make sure that you are making at least like 100 different types of turns, like maybe 50 right turns and 50 left turns, and that's going to allow you to become a better driver. So you can see right now I'll be turning at a traffic light momentarily, but right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot, and since I'm at this light for a while, I'm going to check them again. There's an opening that is probably going to be right here, depends on the speed of this vehicle. I'll be able to turn after this vehicle, so I'm going to check my safety checks one more time. And once again, lots of slow drivers. Come on, move it, move it, move it. Listen, you don't have to drive fast, but you have to drive with the flow. You can't drive very slowly or you throw off everybody else on the road. Anyways, what I did there was I combined everything together, and I didn't explain it because I had to get out of the intersection. I didn't want to get T-boned by another car. I'll do another one right here, doing my safety checks. Okay, slowing down, looking where I want the car to go, turning the wheel, releasing the wheel, controlling my speed properly. And that's basically it. Those are the 5 crucial steps to making right and left turns safely. Turning is something that you, look, I just did it now without even realizing. Turning is something that you always have to do. So it's better that you master it and that you don't have to worry about, like, you know, your turns. If you don't have to worry about your turns, you'll be a safe driver. And that's it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.